Hey guys. All right, so a lot of you might not know that there is a way to check to see what's the best time to post. Instagram actually tells you from all of your posting and your audience where and when the best time to post is. So all you got to do is go here to your page, go to Insights, scroll down to Audience, click that, scroll down a little bit, and you're going to have all your demographics, and then you're going to have down here Thursday. You can click Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and so on. So today is actually Friday, and you need to make sure you're on the right day because a lot of times it's a day behind. You can go to Friday, and then you can click, and it'll tell you exactly how many people are engaging at that time from your audience. It's pretty amazing. So 6 o'clock is going to be the best time to post. Between 9 and 9 are going to be the best time. So if you cannot make it at 6, after 9 a.m., before 9 a.m. or 9 p.m., then you're good. And then you can schedule your posting around this. Hope this helps.